Microfiber or cotton? This debate divides cleaning professionals. I'm testing both head-to-head on the toughest messes to settle this once and for all. In the left corner, traditional cotton cloths, the old reliable. In the right corner, microfiber, the modern challenger. Same dirty surfaces, same cleaning solution. Let's see who wins. Round 1, streak-free glass. Cotton leaves streaks, microfiber is crystal clear. Round 2, grease removal. Cotton smears it around, microfiber lifts it completely. Round 3, dust collection. This is shocking. Microfiber traps particles while cotton just pushes them around. The winner? Microfiber dominates. It cleans better, requires less chemical, and can be washed 500 times. But here's the catch. Cheap microfiber is worse than cotton. Quality matters. Want professional results without the trial and error? Our cleaners use only premium-grade microfiber and proven techniques for spotless results. Too busy to clean your home? Call Bear Brothers Cleaning today, 256-633-6332, or visit www.bearbroscleaning.com.